Монгол Улсын боловсролын их сургууль.
Hello everyone. In this classroom activity, students will practice speaking, writing, reading and listening while they learn about the article of Educational Leadership for Enhancing Quality in Teacher Education Issues and in that research. This lesson begins with the preparation activities and continues with comprehension and response activities and optional extension activities. The combined time required for the lesson is approximately 90 minutes. Abstract. Educational leadership refers to the process of soliciting and managing the capacities and vitalities of teachers, pupils, and parents toward achieving a common educational aims. Educational leadership also refers to an individual or group of people who are in charge and lead schools, institutions, programs, and students. The development of leadership as a separate entity goes some way in arguing that an effective educational leader will share much of the same characteristics as a successful business leader. If one sees leadership as a distinct vocation, then one can see that many of the skills and traits are transferable. However, education is a special case because teaching students has to be the central purpose that educational leadership must reflect. Hence, even if it is drawn from various existence theories of leadership, yet the success is dependent on how much it would enhance the quality of teacher education. The overall mission of the valuable study is to aid researchers in recognizing and understanding the need of educational leadership for enhancing the quality of teacher education. Okay. Leadership. It's the terminology and subject field has two subject fields. Okay, first one is electoral. System. Political parties. Okay. Second one is political system. Okay, definition. Is the position of Okay, leadership is a terminology and it is the standardized definition, the position of leadership of political party, and it has two subject fields. First one is electoral system and political parties. Second one is political systems.
Goal 4 of the Sustainable Development Goals, Quality Education. What makes a quality education? Meet Billy. Billy is about to start high school and his parents want to make sure he gets the best education. His parents fear that public school education is on the decline and will not provide him with a proper education. With some areas like Washington, D.C. having a decrease in high school graduation, it's easy to see why Billy's parents may be skeptical. On the other hand, private school is very expensive and the teachers are not required to have teaching degrees, which may negatively impact the learning process. There are several schools in their area, so they want to make sure the school they choose to send Billy to will give him the best chance of getting into a good college. When searching for the right school, there are a lot of things to consider. The definition of what a quality education is may differ from person to person, but there are some important factors that should be included. Finding a place that will teach the way your child needs to learn is one of the most important factors to consider regarding a quality education. People learn in different ways. These include, but are not limited to visual, verbal, and physical. Finding a place that utilizes all forms will help a child get the most out of what is being taught to them. School size is also important. At a school with larger class sizes, a child may not get the attention that they need. Smaller schools can sometimes be underfunded and not able to provide your child with all the resources that they need. Lastly, be on the lookout for quality, dedicated teachers who are willing to go above and beyond for their students. This will lead to highly educated adults. A proper education is the starting point to successful and bright futures.
Homework. Translate the abstract into Mongolian and send it to teacher's web. Thank you for your attention.
Зайны сургалтын алба 2020 он. Монгол Улсын боловсролын их сургууль